o babe?
Ano ba mas baduy?
Sige na, pwede yan. Choose one. Baby o babe?
Wala.
Sige na, paano kung yun yung gusto itawag sa'yo ng boyfriend mo? Parang kunwari, hi, baby. Okay naman, hi there, babe.
Edi, break agad.
Buti wala kang boyfriend.
So you don't have a boyfriend? Chris.
Tuesday.
Sis yung kamay mo.
Ha?
Yung kamay mo, okay na yan.
You know, Tuesday is my favorite day of the week. So, magkape?
Ay! Hindi siya nagkakape. Nervyosa kasi to eh.
Ako?
Diba? I'm Pat. Patricia. You can call me Pat.
Chris. So, you and Pat, you guys are graduating soon, right?
Oo. Kaya nga kami nag-gym ngayon eh. Baka sakaling pumayat pa sa graduation namin.
Eh, anong plano niyo after graduation?
Yung best friend ko, si Pat. Gusto niya magkaroon ng bakery cafe. Mahilig kasi siya mag-bake. Tapos gusto niya ako kasosyo.
Gusto mo yan? Cafe?
Gusto ko yung idea ng cafe na nandun ka lang, chill, daydream ng mga stories inside your head, pwede mo isulat, pwede namang hindi.
Well, if that's the case, kailangan mo nang matutong uminom ng kape. I mean, you can't own a cafe and not love coffee. Right? Pwede kitang turuan.
Pero ikaw, you own a gym pero hindi mo naman gustong mag-exercise.
That's why I work out. And I don't own all of it. I'm just one of the owners. Partners.
So rich ka din, katulad ni Pat.
My parents are rich, not me.
Ilan na yung nakita mong babae dito na nag-exercise? Kaya naisip ko, ilan na kaya yung babaeng natanong mo kung gusto mong magkape? O kaya, you know what? That's my favorite name.
Yung totoo,
Yung totoo.
you're the first one.